So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up, what's down, what's going on? I literally had to start the vlog while I'm out here because I gotta show y'all something. Today is January 26th. Yeah, look at this. Let me turn the camera around because I'm trying to go to work and my car is literally covered. When I stepped down, my boot almost covered and my boot is high. I don't know how to do this. And I gotta, oh my God, so I'm gonna have to use my coat just to clean one side and clean up here so I don't get the snow in the car, just so I can get in. Holy, look how far up the snow is right by my door. I'm in my car and I'm waiting for the shuttle to go to work. My goodness, when I tell y'all it's just bad out here, if it wasn't for the fact that my car is an all-wheel drive, I don't know how I would have made it out of that, because the snow was all the way halfway up my tires. All halfway up my tires. On the way here, there's a few cars that you're going to see on the side of the road that's stuck, that's cleaned off. There's one by a gas station, it's completely cleaned off, and it's just sitting there in the middle of the street. It's basically in the street, blocking that driveway for the gas station. It's stuck there. Like, all these small cars are being stuck. There's a van that was right before I get to the gas station, right at top of the gas station, and I was behind the van, and he was sliding. There was when I was coming out of my street, there was a plow on a SUV. He was almost stuck in them people's driveway trying to plow them out. Listen, it's bad out here. It's bad. It's really bad. Right now I have my car at 70 degrees and it's 13 degrees in my car, but it's 11 degrees outside. It's horrible. It's really horrible. They said that this is supposed to end January 27th at 7 a.m. At this point, I'm thinking, are the kids supposed to go to school? Because they close school today, January 26th. But I feel like they should close it also for January 27th. They say all faculties and staff, including the students, not supposed to show up today. How am I here to go to work? I don't know. Like I said, I think it's for the fact that I have an all-wheel drive, so I can literally glide over everything. And even though I'm able to do that, I'm still sliding because my butt's going left when the car going right. So I'm still sliding. And I'm driving a big SUV with a third row. So just imagine a person with a small car. Just imagine a person with a small, low car. They're not gonna make it through this. And my truck is tall. So a small car, a lower vehicle, oh, they're not going nowhere. If I had a car today, right now, I would have called in. And it's still snowing. And the top of my car right now have a lot of snow on it. So I only get to clean around it. I'm short, so I'm not, like I said, my car is tall, so I am not going to be able to clean that off. So right now I'm riding around with a whole bunch of snow stuck to the roof on top of my car. Yes, a whole bunch of snow is stuck to the roof on top of my car. Big. If it's supposed to ever slide, I will hope it slides to the back and not to the front, because it's going to completely cover my windshield where I can't see, because that happened to me before. I had to stop in the middle of the street to get that off my windshield so I can see. If I didn't have a tall enough SUV, I will call in to work today. I kid you not. If I didn't have an SUV, an all-wheel drive, where I can just glide over everything, even though I'm sliding, I would not be going to work today unless I'm carpooling with somebody who can actually drive through it with no issues. Yeah, that's where I would have been right now. At home in my bed with my babies. Not coming into this. Right now I'm looking at the plow truck going back and forth, back and forth. One is plowing and one is salting. No, the one that putting down the salt is actually plowing at the same time. And there's a big tractor, a whole tractor over there doing the same thing, plowing to keep the parking lot clear enough for us to park. Oh my goodness, this is horrible. This is horrible. This is horrible. This is the worst snowstorm I've seen in a very long time. My boots is tall, almost to my knees. And when I step outside, it covers my boots. OMG. Listen. Anyways, pray for us in New York, because we're going through it. We're going through it with this snowstorm. We're going through it. Anyways, guys, I think the shuttle is here, so I'm going to end this video right here. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's not really anything fun. And stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I like my nails. My daughter, she's practicing. She was supposed to do another design today, but yesterday, but I didn't have time to do it. Anyways, y'all, we see ya in the next video. Bye.